There's sand in that one.
Jesse's 16th birthday
Yeah.
today.
A picture of yours.
Terry.
Thank you.
Terry.
You're welcome.
Oh my
Jeff.
God, the sand is.
I know.
Yeah, one of those sloppy sentimental ones.
Yeah, that is the perfect
Get a
card.
picture of those two.
If I ever found a card, that was the card. It really was.
With grandma.
Yeah, it was.
Which I like these.
Here,
Oh,
like
and-
Ma, with the.
And here's a few
You
books.
see
You
that?
have to take it. Take the picture.
Oh, with that? Okay.
Yeah. 'Cause, like, look.
Of course I do.
Perry should get in there too.
Get in there, Perry. Get in there, Perry.
Come here. Come here. Perry, come
Okay.
here.
Hold on.
Get your.
All right, you first. Okay.
Okay.
You should get
That's good.
Grandma.
Come here.
Perry, go
It's
with
like
Jesse.
having paparazzi around.
Who took that picture? We were trying to figure this out. I think Doris
Maybe a
was there
neighbor.
that day,
Maybe a
too.
neighbor took it.
Yeah, that could have been. Yeah. Yeah, because you
You're
had.
getting ignored, aren't you? It's not your
Yeah.
birthday. So that's why you're getting ignored.
I know it's really hot.
Right. Oh, that's
Pe-
good.
Lisa, get a picture of Grandma and her and Grandpa Bob.
That's good.
I'm actually not hungry, but smelling that is making me hungry.
So is it sweet
Okay.
16
Yeah.
or sour 16?
Oh, gee.
Ooh, whatever.
Wow, burn me.
That one did?
Yeah, you shouldn't do it that
Wait,
way.
Jesse.
I don't know how to light
Oh,
any of
wait,
those.
wait. She stole this present.
Oh.
And there's some
When,
books too.
when was that? When did that get here?
Okay. You know what they are?
Lottery ticket?
Yeah, there's for tonight and then for tomorrow night. So with luck, if you win anything big,
Yeah.
I get a commission.
Yeah.
Here, I need.
Oh my God, Grandma, what did you do?
You'll never guess. Okay, wait, we gotta do this. You filming this, Eric?
Ma,
Yes.
you have to take a picture of
Yeah,
this.
you gotta take
But it
pictures
is
of that.
like, oh my. How? This is ridiculous. Perry, she filled it with cash.
Can you get here?
Wow.
Open it up.
Open it up.
Open
Can
it
I?
up.
Oh,
Hey, don't burn
it's gonna
yourself.
go flying if I open this up.
Oh my God. Look at
Look, it's a bubble umbrella.
Holy cow. It's just turn this way. Holy
gosh.
cow.
It's a cute umbrella, but the. Oh my God.
How much cash
only
is, how much, is that
temporary.
$16? That's more than $16.
It's
It's
5 times 16.
5
She
times
gives us
16.
$5 for
Yeah,
each
I
year,
didn't make her.
each
Just
birthday.
can you look
$80.
this way?
$80, wow.
So 81's in there. Guess what Rosemary was doing today?
Jeez.
I spent a
Good thing
part
she,
of the day
good thing she's
reading.
retired.
Oh my gosh, should I like take this
She's
off?
still doing
or-
Head Start.
Whatever you want. Actually, it's gonna be easy to get the dollars off the ribbons. Not as easy.
I know the lottery tickets are on there.
Yeah, the lottery